you so much for joining us once again this afternoon. This is meteorologist Eric Tolman with an update on the latest update that I have so far for our forecast is gusty winds ahead of a cold front this afternoon. Some light snow to the Tri-Cities in the northern thumb area. So these are the updates currently at this time. Mix of light snow and rain from the Tri-Cities into the northern thumb will be pushed eastward by the cold front that will be moving through southeast lower Michigan this afternoon. The front will spread clouds across the rest of southeast lower Michigan during the mid-afternoon through the early evening. Also, there will be some extra sunshine south of M59 will allow stronger southwest wind gusts through the afternoon, frequently around 35 miles per hour. This is the very latest that I have in the weather department. This is meteorologist Eric Tolman with the Michigan News Channel, Detroit, Michigan. And thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more. We'll see you at 5:30 for your extended forecast.